Good morning, everyone. Do try to get to class on time.
Look at this. They changed the evacuation route.
But that goes right past the East Wing.
I can't believe it! They actually found the culprit! It was one of the students!
What are they whispering about?
Don't worry about it, Pip. Let's just go!
I heard Pip got lost again.
She's always causing trouble for the professor.
Settle down, everyone to your desks right away. We have urgent matters to discuss. Good morning, class. Before we delve into today's material, there is a small matter we must discuss.
What in the world? Stay calm, everyone. Just remain seated.
It keeps flickering.
Attention, everyone! Do not panic! We must evacuate the building now!
Follow me!
Hey, it's just me. Everything is going to be fine. Snowy, I don't like the dark.
Please, children, remain calm. Stay in your seats. Do not panic. Help is on the way.
Don't worry, Pip. I won't let anything happen to you.
Someone! We must get this open!
They said we're trapped! Trapped! We can't leave! Oh no, what are we gonna do? It's locked! We can't get out! Help me!
Much better.
It seems the power is fully restored, everyone.
It stopped! Oh, what now?
Everyone hold your position.
Quick, behind me! I'm so scared.
Stay calm, Pip. We're safe now.
Everything is under control, children. Let's head back to class.
Pip, I am truly sorry. I never realized the danger was so close.
It's all right. We're together.
Stop worrying so much.
Okay.
Safety is not locks, but people who don't leave.